The World Maritime Academy offers a unique crash course on advanced crew management. Crew management for ships incorporates a variety of activities handled by in-house crew managers and crew management companies. This includes the sourcing, recruitment, selection, deployment, scheduling, training and upgrading programs, and ongoing management of seafarers engaged on vessels under crew management contracts, including special circumstances management, like COVID, and administrative aspects. Crew administrative aspects, such as payroll services, travel arrangements, insurance, assistance with health, banking and financial services, career guidance, communication duties, as well as team building and family and social programs. The Advanced Crew Management course consists of 4 sessions. Session 1, Introduction to Crew Conventions, Session 2, Crew Management Operations, Session 3, Protection and Indemnity Cover, Financing and Crew Budget Issues, and Session 4, Happiness Index, KPIs and Soft Skills. By the end of this crash course, the participant will be able to acquire fundamental knowledge of the crew-related conventions and their characteristics, to synthesize a recruitment policy fully streamlined with the vessel's safe manning requirements, to evaluate the risk exposed on a crew change in line with the overall financial planning, to develop seafarers' employment and recruitment techniques, and to formulate proactive mechanisms in order to retain, train, evaluate and upgrade skilled seafarers. Learn at your pace, anytime and anywhere. Is 3 months' time enough to undertake the course? Watch the course presentations at any time and anywhere, at work, at your home. Stop and take as many breaks as you want. Ask questions in the forum. Check your knowledge with the self-assessment questions. Network. Learn from the experts. Are you done? Print out your certification. The course administrator will assist you throughout the course. You will find more information about our courses on the WMA site. Get in touch and let us know how can we be of help at support@e-wma.com.